Okay, this ingredient for the tom yum is tom yum goong. This is clear. You have lemongrass. This one whole lemongrass. You can use one, and then the lemongrass you can beat. If you not have this, you can use this knife. But sometimes the knife you hit too much, they're broken. You can use, and then you cut the lemongrass about 4 pieces, because when you finish cooking, you can take out from the soup. Big pieces like this, 4 or 6 pieces. When you finish cooking, you can take out. Okay. And galangal, you cut only half. Galangal like a long about 1 thumb like this. It's galangal, not ginger. If you not have, you can use only lemongrass. You can use only lemongrass. Don't need to, but it's like this. You take this coriander root or cilantro root. If you have, if you not have, don't worry. Just beat like this. Okay. Chili. You don't want the chili too spicy. Just beat like this. For the seeds and the heart inside not come out. For kaffir lime leaf, this kaffir lime leaf, this you can see behind here 1, 2, 3, 4. You can move like this, move the leaf like this together, and then you remove the stem. One hand with the leaf, one hand with the stem. Then you can move your finger on the leaf to take out the stem. Like this. Then you cook, oil come out from the leaf. Okay. And this shrimp, and the shrimp stock, and this mushroom, and this lime, and this fish sauce. First when you make tom yum goong, you put the stock, the shrimp stock. About 1 cup the stock, and the lemongrass, galangal, and coriander root, and let boiling. Okay, that's a shrimp stock boiling. See the lemongrass change the color. But when you cook with shrimp, you add the kaffir lime leaf and chili first. Then you add a mushroom. Okay. Then when you add the fish sauce, yeah, you cook with grandma, you have to take out everything cannot eat. Then you squeeze the lime. You can see when you squeeze the lime, you can see the color from the soup. They change color white. This one, when you add the fish sauce, you can add the fish sauce. You can see that they stop boiling. You not stir yet. When you stir, you smell more fishy. Wait till boiling. Okay. After when you have the fish sauce and then the boiling, you can add the shrimp. So when you have shrimp, you have to stir like this. Flip the shrimp. See? Then you can see shrimp cook right away. They change the color like this. Okay, this one, see, look, shrimp. They change the color, mean inside like this. Okay, now shrimp cook, turn off, is done. Then you take out. Grandma say everything is good. Take out everything you cook, and this change kaffir lime leaf. They change the color. You see that? That's the oil from the kaffir lime leaf. They come out. Eat it. See that one? From here, the white. That's in Thai we eat the tom yum is clear because when you add lime, they also change color like a white color already. And then you add tom yum chili paste. Then you have tom yum like creamy. It look like tom yum creamy. Okay. Okay, the bowl from that you pick a stock. There's a soup. They come back to the same bowl. Then you have this chili, and then you have oil, shrimp oil. Put on top the shrimp in the soup. That's one. That's shrimp oil to make color. Look like you have the creamy soup. This is Thai we eat like this, and make beautiful coriander leaf. Okay, you have tom yum soup. Now you have tom yum goong. It's tom yum original. They taste more like a, you can try to make and then you taste in your home.